The soft, golden light of dawn filtered through the window, waking me with the gentle song of the early birds. Outside, a lively chorus chirped from the leafy branches, a mix of familiar and unfamiliar melodies. With my first slow blink, I took in the scene. The morning air, crisp and fresh, swirled through the room, carrying the scent of damp earth and new life. My gaze settled on the Z plant on the sill, its waxy leaves now unfurling in the sunlight. In the stillness of the new day, I watched, mesmerized, as another small, vibrant new leaf slowly began its journey toward the light, a tiny promise of the day's potential.